Have you ever been in the middle of recording your brilliant podcast episode, only to find your microphone suddenly silent or the audio inexplicably cutting out? It is incredibly frustrating, and often, the first thought is that your expensive microphone has given up. However, there is a very common culprit often overlooked that is simple to check. The most effective way to troubleshoot microphone issues related to connectivity is by systematically testing with different cables and, if applicable, different USB ports. This methodical approach helps you quickly pinpoint whether the problem lies with the cable itself, the port you are using, or if it is genuinely a microphone hardware issue, saving you a lot of time and potential repair costs. Cables and connection ports are surprisingly often the weakest links in your audio setup. Over time, microphone cables can suffer from internal breaks in the wiring, even if the outer sheath appears perfectly fine. Connectors can become bent, corroded, or simply worn out from repeated plugging and unplugging. Similarly, the ports on your computer or audio interface can accumulate dust, experience bent internal pins, or even develop minor electrical faults, all of which disrupt the crucial data flow from your microphone. To begin, first power down your computer or audio interface completely to avoid any potential electrical issues. Next, carefully unplug your current microphone cable from both your microphone and your computer or interface. Take a moment to visually inspect the ends of the cable for any obvious damage or bent pins. Then, swap it out for a different, known good cable. Ideally, this new cable should be the same type, such as an XLR cable or a USB cable that you are replacing. Once the new cable is connected, restart your system and test your microphone. If the problem persists with the new cable, the next step is to try a different port. If you are using a USB microphone, move it to another USB port on your computer, trying both USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 ports if available. For XLR microphones connected to an audio interface, switch to a different input channel on the interface. This helps rule out a faulty port on your device. After changing ports, test your microphone again. Remember that cable quality can significantly impact audio fidelity, especially with longer runs. Using shielded cables helps prevent electromagnetic interference that can cause hums or buzzing. Gold-plated connectors, while not essential, can offer slightly better corrosion resistance over time, ensuring a more stable connection. Also, never coil your cables too tightly, as this can stress the internal wiring and lead to premature failure. By methodically replacing your microphone cable and trying alternative connection ports, you empower yourself to quickly diagnose and often resolve audio issues without needing specialized tools or a trip to a repair shop. This simple, step-by-step process builds your confidence in troubleshooting and keeps your podcast recordings sounding clear and professional.